Alright, so I got an unboxing where I ordered some knives from Wish. But anyways, so I only got one hand, and it's a decent looking box. And anyways, so the first knife, it's pretty sexy knife. Like it. It's amazing and really sharp. Did it on paper, and it also came with a tiny little folding knife. Probably the cheapest knife in the world, or I think it's the cheapest knife in the world. And it's pretty awesome. I like it. It's cool. And then a chef knife. Ooh. Still only got one hand. And a really sharp chef knife. I absolutely love it. Or I like it. Or I definitely like it, but I love it. And it's razor sharp. Handle's not too terribly comfortable. But thanks for watching.